In today's video, I will teach you how to create an Andy Warhol pop art effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating an Andy Warhol pop art effect can transform your photos into colorful and vibrant artworks reminiscent of the iconic artist's style. Let's break down the process step by step. You can start with a suitable photo. It's recommended to choose a clear photo with visible features but without intricate details. Now we're going to smooth the image. Install the GIMP plugin and go to Enhancement, then Anisotropic Smooth to blur the fine details in the image. Additionally, you can apply the bilateral filter to further equalize parts of the image. Then adjust the filter settings as needed. Now, use the channel mixer under the color, components, then channel mixer to convert the image to black and white. Then adjust the channels to achieve the desired contrast in detail. Now, apply the deblur sharpening filter and bilateral filter to reduce the photo-like appearance and enhance the overall effect. Now, increase the contrast slightly by applying an S-curve adjustment by going to Colors, then Curves. Then use the Free Select tool to create a rough selection around the main subject to fill the background with a plain color later. Now, fine-tune the selection by using the Quick Mask mode. Paint areas you don't want to be selected in black, and refine the selection. Then add a new transparent layer and fill it with the chosen color. Then make a rough selection around the hair and colorize it by going to Colors, then Colorize. Then adjust the saturation to your preference. Then repeat the process for coloring the face and other parts of the image as desired. Optionally, paint the lips with a soft red color on a new layer and adjust the opacity for a subtle detail. Then duplicate the colored layer and apply a dot effect by going to Filter, Distort, then Newsprint. Now, duplicate the layers and adjust the hue, saturation, and positioning for variation. Then position the duplicated layers accordingly, creating a visually appealing composition. Then make any final adjustments, such as sharpening the image or tweaking colors. Then save your project in GIMP format and export the file image in your desired format. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.